Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? It's a very bad news for all Vechain holder because my brother, you can see at this time, not just unique Vechain, all crypto market is very badly fails down. So therefore, I will notify you, my brothers, to don't do this mistake what I tell you in this video. And absolutely, if you follow every state channel, so I will give you 100% guarantee to you never lost, my brother. And if you lost, so every state channel will give you a profit, my brother. Every state channel will give you guarantee. You need to just subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Every stick channel will guide you, every stick channel will alert you. So if you follow, so exactly they will make you millionaire now. So let's see, my brother. Please remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you before you take any decision, please research personally. This will be very good now. So let's see, my brother. This time you can see, my brother, the V chain is completely fails down from last 7 days, minus 15% fails down, and you can see 2.5% last 24 hours. You can say last 1 hour 1.21%. So it's a very bad news for all VeChain holder. To the price of VeChain coin is completely fails down, but this is reality, my brother, and try to understand what I told you in this video. I hope you understand. 0.09 USD dollar is the latest price of VeChain coin, and they will fails down from 0.1 USD dollar to 0.09 USD dollar. So it's a very bad news. To the price is very badly fails down, but my friend, this is reality. So try to understand. This is the last 7 days chart, and absolutely I predicate this coin. Absolutely you better understand, my brothers. Now to upcoming time, there is a chance so they will wake up. You can see the last 7 days this coin is completely fails down from last 7 days, but there is a no jump available. You can see they cannot take a short jump, short fails, but absolutely they're completely fails down. So VeChain holder, absolutely everybody know this, to after phase every cryptocurrency will take a jump. So therefore I know, my brothers, to after this long phase they will take unbelievable and massive jump now, very huge jump now, because I'm 100% sure to after fail every cryptocurrency take a very huge jump now. So therefore I know to upcoming time there is a lot of chances to they will make a you a millionaire. Absolutely, if you can see the red candle, after a red candle they will take a jump, and you can see, my friend, absolutely after a green candle a red candle, and after a red candle green candle. So actually this process is continues, my friend, on in the crypto market. So VeChain is absolutely one of them, my friend, and I know to upcoming time VeChain price will be increased now, and they will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I will notify you all holders to don't see this short fails, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the VeChain price will be increasing just and only in upcoming time, but kindly you also need to hold it. You need to hold it and wait for the good time. The price is absolutely increasing because of holders, if you hold, so they will move upward and the price will be increasing. So let's see to what they do, but in upcoming time I'm 100% sure they will move upward, so you need to hold it. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you like video, subscribe our YouTube channel for more this informative videos.